see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, guys.
Kagabi hindi ko na na-close yung vlog. Sobrang na-enjoy na namin ni Kuya yung kwentuhan na naman namin sa aside doon sa Parisan. Grabe na yung tawanan namin. Tapos sa car. And yeah, namalayan ko. Antok na kami and hindi ko na kayo nabalikan. But today, dito kami sa car.
In Manila.
Yes, in Manila. Punta tayo ng BGC kasi meron akong appointment sa Wanadela. So may magko-consult lang. Kung maalala nyo, yung first dating namin dito, may pinuntahan kami na isa din na aesthetic clinic. Hindi doon natuloy. Kung maalala nyo, may vlog ako na may nilagay akong caption na ikwento ko na lang. Hindi doon natuloy kasi yung pagpunta namin, walang doktor. So, hindi naman pwedeng walang doktor kasi wala ang kumakausap lang sa akin noon is yung yung parang hindi nga siya same ang uniform niya doon sa reception. So, basta yun na lang. Basta hindi na doon natuloy. Sikat din siya sana. Yun sana talaga. Tagal ko na siyang pinook na sa Australia pa lang. Pero, yeah, walang doktor yung pagpunta namin. Tapos, yung nakausap ko siya yung gagawa. Kung ano man yung ipapagawa ko sa kanya. Wala. Sabi ko, gusto ko may doktor akong makausap, matanong. Walang doktor silang kasi gabi na rin yun, mag-7 na, baka hindi ko alam kung nakauwi na or what, but siya daw yung gagawa sa akin. So, sabi ko sa kanya, magpa-reschedule na lang ako. Then, sabi niya, okay. Sabi ko, kung may doktor na makausap, sabi ko, magpapa-reschedule. And then, sabi niya, okay ma'am, kung gusto niyo. Then, pag update ko sa kanya, tinanong ko kung saan ba si Doc kasi parang dalawa na yung clinic niya. Sabi niya, isisend niya raw saan kasi ako na lang mag-a-adjust na ako pupunta if it BGC or dito sa Quezon. Kasi hindi na nila ako pinalikan. So, nagpapunta lang ako dito sa Wanadela nung nasa Bicol ako. Kasi wala na ako narinig sa kanila. Gusto ko pa naman sana doon. Baka hindi ako para doon. Char. So, yeah, ngayon magpapakonsult lang tayo. And then, pag okay, baka pagawa ko yun. Ipapagawa ko. Yeah. Yung nunal yan, nirereklamo niya yung sa kilikili na nasasaktan daw siya. It's pinching you. Okay, when we go back to Australia, we're gonna look into the doctor and ask what she or he can do about it, okay? Okay, guys. An appointment to remove your nails. Mas matagal pa yung nails niya kaysa akin. Ako wala na tayo din time na paggawa ng nails. Yeah, because you don't do nothing. That's why you still have your nails. So, update ko you guys. Si Mama nasa labas. We'll see if we still have time. Yes. Gusto nila mag-bake. Okay. Okay, dito na kami guys. Ayan yung Wanadela. 34th Street.
Thought I had to try to make no mistakes. I prep ahead of time. I'm never late. Make it there on time.
So, tayo sa Wanagala. Nakapag-fill up na ako ng form. Ngayon, tatanggalin ko lang yung aking mga suot na alahas. So, yung gagawin sa akin ay tatlong procedure. Tinodo ko na, guys. Kasi first time ko naman itong gagawin. So, might as well, yung mga sinuggest ni Doc, gawin ko na lang. Here's the blue. Case ng eyeglasses.
Hey guys.
Don't need someone to save me. No.
Pagkam na tayo. And kailangan din natin map. Ayan yan. Yeah, ready.
Tignan mo na ako picture sa'yo.
Sige, sige.
Ayan, look straight pa rin, ma'am, ha? Look up tayo konti, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Higa na tayo, ma'am.
Higa na tayo.
Yes.
So what's the first?
First po, ma'am, i-cleanse ko lang muna yung
Ah,
face
okay.
mo, ma'am. And then after po is maglagay ko ng naming cream dun sa face natin and then sa arms. And then yung unahin is over former later after ano na yung time. And then, dire-diretso na yung ultra former beauty gel toxin for farmers.
Yung sa Barbie Arms, ano siya? One session lang talaga yan? Or
Ideally, ma'am, for Botox, ginagawa siya every 6 months. Pero since European yung ginagamit natin, kahit mag-ano ka lang,
Once.
or like every 10 months. Pero depende sa case, ma'am, ha, kasi mag-isa kasi yung ano natin arms, baka hindi na siya need after.
Okay. So depend kung masculine ka
O,
talaga.
okay lang mukha ko tayo ma'am. Siya yung number one
Kaawa.
basher.
Yes. Ano siya as in, lalo na siya. Basta iba dito.
Nakakatawa nga siya yung sumasagot kanina.
Oo nga, so
Alam niyo talaga.
When you're angry, you're shaking.
Alam niya eh. Na-observe talaga.
Observe siya. Maybe not too close on my face now.
It's not close, Ma.
Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna
Naman,
Mas masakit to eh.
may konting-konti lang feel ka lang sa gamot mismo. Pero so far naman
Sa
sa'yo.
tusok hindi na. Kasi manipis lang naman.
Opo.
Small.
don't come running and blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are.
La, 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 la. Okay. Balik na ako sa akin.
How do I zoom out?
So, what am so...
And bite, big bite. Very good. Quite strong now. Relax, please. And hindi ka lang tayo. Then while I'm here, mag-mark na ako dito. Okay, flex please. Like, yan, perfect. Strong na yung
So, hindi ka rin yan mag-ano do.
I don't know. Haha.
Don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are. Who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are. Who you really are. Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Just do it. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know. If you're gonna don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell you something's off.
Bababa na tayo, Doc.
Baba na.
When you talk, I think I said enough.
Very, ano nga talaga.
Strong, no?
Very strong siya. Kasi yung dugo pa. Pero maganda naman yung hugis ng shape mo. One session of John Cross a year would be okay.
Okay. So, that's good.
Let's not go too much kasi ayaw prominent. Pero even now, nag-tighten na nga siya. So, and then, baka in the future, it will receive na yung chin. We can have a little bit of chin.
Okay. Saka na.
Perfect. Okay, so quite deep injections din dito kasi muscle. Ganyan lang. Para lang tayo na babakla. Very good. Teka lang. Nanginginig ka unti.
Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are. Who you really are. Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry.
How do you feel?
That's alright.
Okay lang, diba?
Mhm,
No
mhm.
problem naman. So, since we're doing injectables, bruising is normal.
Okay, yeah.
Mawawala naman. Okay. Okay, bite again. Medyo strong na dito. Lagi, relax.
Maghuhugis bigas ba ako niyan daw?
Oo, kaya usually yung mga people na bit kulang din sa chin, mapapa-chin. Pero for now,
Okay pa naman yung
okay
chin
pa
ko.
naman.
I-relax na ba siya, Doc?
Yan, ito. Parang, good candidates. Stay away pa na pag ganito. Tapos sobrang payat.
Don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are. Who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Ooh, ooh,
Maraming baba.
Let's be honest for a second.
Change ka lang.
Mag-change ako.
Being over your head.
Ayun, tapos na.
I had a dream and I had a dream of ramen and then we're gonna eat it.
Naglalakad pala kami sa 5th Ave kasi punta muna ako ng Gentle Monster bago kayo kumain kasi madadaanan naman.
We're going to
Bye.
eat ramen.
Paigpitan ko yung aking shades. Ayan yung Gentle. Dito na tayo mo. Come on, hon. Holi. Ma! Mami! Ah, tumakbo kami ilang seconds na lang kasi. Kasi kung dadaan pa tayo doon, maghihintay na naman tayo. Kasi ko dito na lang tayo. Oh, sorry. You alright? Try ko to.
They're nice. Nice.
Kasi pag,
Now look at the camera. Yeah.
right? Kasi yung gandang-ganda ko sa talaga si Ed, si ano. Kasi yung shape niya, mas ano,
Hey guys.
mabuya kayo.
Ma.
Bilikol na kita. Yes, you like it?
Yeah, they look good. From Zara. Skort from Gander. Bag from my Tita.
Oli,
And shoes from my Kmart.
this Oli.
They're nice. What do you guys think?
Asking you. The guys will not answer you now. Nakita ko si Mary Grace na gusto kong bilhan ng cookies. Ito ba? Yung ensaymada. Pero hindi ensaymada ang bibiling ko. Yung cookies. Madadaanan na kasi. Bako niyang dalawa. Tapos, itry natin ba? Tatlong ano? Anim na. Okay, sige, okay lang. Thank you. Thank you. Yan, dito na tayo.
Is that it?
Gusto mo yung truffle chicken, ma?
Gusto pa yun na pa na.
Kaya nga ipadala siya. Gusto mo? Special daw nila bago. May bago sila. Oh my God, we don't have my, where's my phone? Ito lang. Bang chicken salad. Tapos i-order ko ulit yung chaat edamame. And then yung goma Q, yung cucumber siya. Yung berry iced tea. Ayan naman yung berry iced tea mo. Andito na yung goma Q. Cucumber siya, guys. Ma.
Serving your charger naman.
Thank you. Ito na yung truffle chicken noodles ni Mama. May egg din siya. Try mo, Ma. Sana masarap.
Parang sa misira.
Ha?
Parang manisira. Ito?
Ha?
Mamo ko. Parang ito.
Ano ano?
Masarap. Palain. Serving nga kamaro torch mo doon.
Ah, torch?
Yes, kung mild spice na namin.
Ito na yung duo na bun. Thank you. And nandito na yung chart niya. Napakita ko na ba yun sa'yo? Thank you. Kain tayo. Ang kay Holly, karaka, tamam. Ito yung truffle ko. Pag-ibo mo kay Lloyd. Pakot lang siya mga buto-buto ng chicken. Tapos lagyan niya ng truffle. Ayun lang. You want me to mix it?
Yes, please.
This is spicy, Baba, ha?
Yeah. If I didn't like it, we'll swap it.
No, mine counts. Good?
Yes.
Oh, last year. Yeah. Dalawang beses with my boys. Ayun siya lang. Good, Baba.
It's still a little bit low.
You got me feeling good, right about your side. Lost in every move, writing down your smile. Baby, hold me tight, let me trace your lies. Keep it low, cause you dropping it down. We gon' boogie to the sundown, no. Baby girl, you look so fine, fine, fine. 아무 생각 없이 can't wait to tune it out. Show you all I know. Let me ease your mind. Can I? By 6:08, give me another minute.
Hi guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Hi!
Here's the other salmon bun. Difference between these two is it has wakame salad.
Wakame
And
salad.
then the salmon is sliced into
Okay.
a little bit of chili. Compared to this.
Okay. So, alright. But
Then you still have other
the other one, yeah. So this one is
salmon. It's the same.
the same, but thinner one.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
We also suggest you squeeze the lemon.
Lemon, yes. Okay. So the lemon was grilled already, right? Yeah, okay. So this one, hindi pa ito lumalabas, diba? So for try pa lang. Okay, thank you. So meron sila, so nakita niyo naman may lumapit sa amin. So meron silang gustong idagdag dito sa ano nila, sa menu. Ito yung rice bowls. So bago to, hindi pa nila to nilalabas. Gusto nila, inas niya kami kung gusto raw namin i-try. So eto siya. So ito yung salmon don na thinner yung pagka-slice ng salmon. And eto naman, pareho lang sila na salmon don, pero thicker yung kanyang pagka-slice. So meron siyang grilled lemon, recommend na i-squeeze siya. So ayan siya. Ang difference lang dito ay meron siyang salad. Eto wala. So i-try natin siya. Busog na ako. Kami ni Mama. That's the other one? Oh my God.
This is a chicken.
This is chicken. Chicken teriyaki don. Okay. Okay, thank you. So, okay, thank you. So, ayan na siya.
What's that?
Seaweed. So, ayan yung chicken teriyaki don. So, ito yung bago nilang ilalabas. So, hindi pa to nilalabas. Itatry. Kami pa lang ni Mama makaka-try nito. So, i-try natin. Picture ko muna.
This is a seaweed.
Yeah, it is. Ayan. Thin lang yung pagka-slice.
No, this is this garlic thingy. It's this. That green. No, it's not seaweed.
Masarap siya. Manamis-namis.
It's not like onion, but it's black onion. It's good, right?
So, meron siyang egg. Ayan yung rice. Kasi rice bowl na to.
Mom, it's this.
Yeah, seaweed baby. They have a lot of seaweed.
It's this.
This is good, yeah.
I like this. Mom.
Masarap siya. Manamis na siya. You like it? You should try the rice. Rice and egg? What do you think?
I forgot that.
This one, that nice, no? Try naman natin yung isa. Ito salad. But ni Ma, gusto ni Mama yung nagpapa. Kinuha niya na. Masarap, di ba? Nagustuhan ni Mama. So, eto naman, pareho lang sila. Eto, wala lang na salad. Yeah? Oh my God. Tingnan nyo. Ang juicy niya. So, ayan siya. And then, may egg sa ibabaw. Then, yung rice nandyan. Masarap yung rice, no, Ma? Nakakain na yan ng ramen, ha? Busog na yan kanina. But, in fairness, masarap. Pwede naman, pwede nila. Masarap, no? Ganong maluto.
Mom, you have to walk the dog.
Ha?
Look at me. You look good in
Salmon kasi very moist. Baka sa next time, ito na mag-order ka na nito, Ma. Yeah, next time. Ah, the truffle chicken. tingnan mo. Like naman yung chicken.
How are we gonna finish all of this?
We don't have to finish it. So yung chicken may corn. Ano siya, parang tinorch or grilled. Kasi ayan yung chicken. Ito yung chicken teriyaki doon.
Ma, I actually finished all the green stuff. That's good. Really good.
Magugustuhan mo rin. Masarap ng teriyaki.
Let's have it try.
Masarap. Lasang-lasa yung pagka-grilled. And it's so tender. Sarap. In fairness. Luto ko rin ito, ma.
That one's my favorite.
Ang lambot ng kanan, no? Sarap. May maluto. May kanin din to.
Go.
Diba? Sarap din ng grilled. Nasaan yung phone mo? I-scan ko din to para magbigay ka ng review. Yes, Baba?
Oh, it's big.
Yeah, punta tayo dito sa Michikoshi Bato.
You Japanese?
Yeah. Japanese.
Wow.
Yeah, alright. Okay, labas na. Labas na kami. May inano ko kong perfume. Wala naman sa kanila. Pumasok kami dito. Ano ba tong? Basta malapit sa, ayun yung Shake Shack. Tapos ito yung Diptyque. Tapos punta tayo sa taas. Go, mama. Ayan, Kate Spade. Okay, thank you.
I'm going with that. Wala.
Nandito ata yung ano, yung Sunny's Face. Malaki yung Zara nila, oh. Ay na pala kami, guys. Nakatulog kami sa biyahe. And malakas yung ulan. Umulan na nung bago kayo malas umuulan na. Tapos yung papunta nito, lalo pang lumakas yung ulan and lalong na traffic kami. Time is anong oras na? 10:16. Baba, wash your wash your feet.
They're dirty. Oh,
Yeah,
they're
very
so dirty.
because you're wearing your sandals. By the way, guys, update lang sa aking face. Medyo sore na yung aking muka kasi yung ginawa sa akin is Jotox and so wala sa plano yung etong Ultraformer MPT. Kaso sabi ni Doc, medyo nagsasag na daw yung mukha ko kasi nga syempre aging yung collagen ko, hindi na ganun kaganda ang pag-produce. So sabi niya, kung gusto ko, yun nga, mag Ultraformer MPT and then Jotox para ma-lift yung face ko. Kung mapansin nyo, may konting, sabi ni Mama, parang ano daw, nabanat. So yung ginawa, yung parang blinag ako ni Holly. Tapos blinag ko din ata. Yeah. Yung parang may machine siya. So 3 klase yun na ginawa sa akin. Sa face, kasama na yung neck. Yung Ultraformer MPT, kasama yung neck and ito chin. Tapos, yeah, lahat, yung face mo. Wala yun sa plano. Pero, pinagawa ko na lang din kasi nga, recommended niya. Yun yung pinakamahal sa lahat. Yung Jotox, okay lang. Yung Barbie Arms, medyo mahal din siya. Yung pinakamura is yung Jotox sa 3. Meron pa sana isa, yung fat melting, kaso may downside kasi yun. Kaya sabi niya, pwede naman next time. Sabi ko, sige next time. Hindi ko ako next time kasi uwi na kami. Kasi sobrang sakit ng arms ko. And then, di ba, paalis din kami, may mga maleta. So, sinabihan niya na ako na early in 2 weeks or first week, mafe-feel ko yung pagka-weak ng arms ko kasi nga, yung muscle, di ba, wini-weak niya. Dito, ganun din. Tapos, yung Ultraformer MPT, makikita ko raw yung result. Parang 1 month, 2 months. So, good for ano daw siya, 6 to 1 year. So, maganda raw siyang gawin every year or every 6 months. So, ako, wala naman ako digdi. Wala ako dito. And then, yeah, so suggest niya this once a year. So, we'll see. Hindi ko alam kung makakawin tayo next year. And, yeah, yun yung pinakamahal sa tatlong pinagawa ko. At siya pa yung siya pa yung wala sa plano. But, yeah, pinagawa ko na lang din kasi ko, sige na, uwi naman ako para wala akong regrets. So, sabi ni Mama, ano sabi mo, Ma? Nabanat daw yung mukha ko. Gano'n siya kasi hindi siya walang hiwa-hiwa. So, lang siya, tinaitan lang talaga yung skin. Tapos, sinabihan niya ako, kasi never pa talaga ako, guys, virgin ang mukha ko. Wala pa ako dyan pinapagawa. Tapos, tinanong niya ako, nagpapabotox. Ako sabi ko, hindi. And, yun. Hindi ko alam kung meron na kayong nakikitang konting lift. Kasi tightening yung yung Ultraformer MPT. Hindi ko talaga siya, hindi ko nga siya, kabisado. Pero,
Don't
yeah.
get your glasses.
It's alright.
The glasses are right here.
What do you think of Mommy's face?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Medyo red, but it's gone now, right?
Yeah. Wait.
It's still there?
The chin, yeah, because there's still like a line.
Line, okay. So, 60 units yung Jotox. So, 30 units. And dito, sabi hindi naman daw kalaki yung aking arms. Kasi tinanong ko siya kung ilan beses ba ginagawa yung barber. Sabi niya, for you, like 1, okay na daw. Pero dapat every 6 months din yan. And then, for maintenance, dapat talaga proper diet ka. Huwag kayong kakain. And then, as much as possible, huwag daw akong mag-weights. Kasi nga,
Ultraformer.
Ultraformer. Kasi nga, di ba, pag nag-lift pa ako, magkakamuscle ulit ako. So, sayang daw. So, mga pilates na lang daw. So, we'll see, guys. But,
We'll see.
I'm happy naman sa result. But, yung wallet ko umiyak. Char. Okay. Sakit. Masakit na siya dyan, And then, meron siya mga nakitang warts. Sabi ko, next time na lang. Kasi nga, masakit yung, nasaktan na ako dito. Yung tusok dito masakit. And dito, kumupsit. Ano bang hindi ko alam kung nakita yun sa vlog. May sinabi siya very, aggressive yung muscles. May term pa siya doon. Yung dugo, parang, basta, nagpupsit kung sa Bicol. Nag-squirt. Ha? Nag-squirt siya. So, kaya, ewan ko kung nakuha yun sa vlog. But, yeah. Yun na, guys. End ko na yung vlog. Thank you.
Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night.
Bye, guys.
Time, some